Okay, WIKISPEED, July 19, 2023. And take it away, Michael.
It is Michael Wolchuk, Saskatoon, Canada. For the past week, I did get a little bit done, not much. I did post stand up for last week. I don't have any progress on the Sun Founder or the Pi hole, but I did bring them up to the lake, so at least I have a chance of making some progress next week. And the knitting machine, I spent some time on the web server, and it's now at version 0.61. And I spent probably 2 hours documenting the changes that had to be done and how the names relate to each other, both inside the HTML code, the whatever the JavaScript I think it is, and inside the ESP32. So it's uh, not obvious, but hopefully the documentation is good enough that someone can reproduce it. And I did one update for Trello the past week, which is in the new Trello board. For next week, I am hoping to do something on the Sun Founder. I still haven't got the tank level working with the Fire Beetle, but I am playing around with the tank level up at the lake here. So hopefully I will have a little bit of progress there. Knitting machine, I have to do a little demo video for the web server and get it posted, and then clean up the code a little bit so it's not too embarrassing. And maybe I will post version 0.62. And Trello, hopefully adding tasks into the backlog and updating them as required. And blocks, it's still warm outside and still at the lake doing stuff, but I'm getting a little bit of stuff done anyway. Back to you.
Lawrence Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia, Canada. And let's see. In crosstalk, I thought of another application for the Little Red Wagon. Actually, not another feature. So I made a note of it, and I'll share it in crosstalk, which is self-folding and unfolding. Really complicated one, but I was helping someone with one of those really popular nylon-sided foldable wagons. Like, in fact, I was somewhere, there was an Australian film crew from the major network in Australia, ABC, and they had one of those wagons. That was their equipment thing, because they were away from their truck, covering something, and they had their gear on the wagon. So there you go. And and we were delayed. I was delayed going somewhere because the person had forgotten how to fold up the wagon. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so that's the one thing. And the other thing, I just did a little bit of updating our founder and kind of just and kind of thinking out loud on that. So we can discuss that. I haven't sent it yet. We can discuss that draft in crosstalk. And coming week, okay, I'm hoping to do more the things that I've been hoping to do on the tank level, and so that's it. Also, we'll continue with Trello and any other kind of work preparing for inviting more people to come join us. So, like I said, I've got the I can call it a Airbook Chromebook.
So you can
It's
work from
working.
anywhere.
Yeah, pretty nice. The battery's still really good. a few years old. Uh, but the block is I can't find my glue gun and glue sticks. Um, and that seems to be, and maybe we'll talk about that in crosstalk about some way to get that out of the way. Maybe it's not even the best way to do it. I had it in a kind of project bag of some project I was working on, and but I haven't found the bag. I'm going through my stuff, and my place is very cluttered because of one of my kids started thinking of starting a business during COVID and then left, but left a lot of aquariums.
Stuff.
Yeah. So anyway, but that's actually could be a source of money, so that's okay. And anyways, I'll pass it back to you.
Okay. What am I doing in retrospection, right? So I got 2 points done out of 4. Showed up for stand up, so that gives me 6. And actually, 2 out of 4. Yeah, that should be 6, not 5. Math is not so good. And we both made it to stand up, so I'm going to say 7 out of 10 for the team. And process improvement, we're still trying to keep Trello up to date so people can join. Yeah, again, it's not really a process of improvement, but it's kind of what we've been doing. So back to you.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go with 4 for me. 7 for the team. Uh, and process improvement. Maybe kind of target not not keep pushing to do a lot in the summer because I don't know about you, but I'm uh, in the times that I've been out and doing things, it's tough in the heat, and I can't imagine it because this is the best place to be in the heat, but I can't imagine other places. So anyway, uh, that's that for that, and I'm going to stop recording.
Okay.
Um, yeah, I'm going to stop recording mostly to make sure I capture the video.